Hitam. Putih.
Hey! Hello everybody!
Hello.
Today it's Sunday, and on Sunday I don't do any work at all, so we're just going to relax and we like to make a nice lunch.
Yeah, so today he will cook for us.
Yes! I'm going to cook for you and Sophia's going to do most of the work. It's beautiful out there today. Look, the sun's just come out. Come on then. Ariana Poopy.
Ariana Bushu.
So what we're going to need today, parsnips. So we're going to make roasted parsnip, roast potatoes. And I think we better take these so that we use the old potatoes, because as you can see, we've got a bit of a potato farm going on here. They're all starting to grow.
You know, the last video I said this is a pucuk kubi, so bitter. So we will make a nice one today. So
Yeah, so the first time we bought this, Sophia wasn't sure you liked it, but then you began to like it. We went back to the same place, bought it, and then we really liked it, we enjoyed it. The third time we went and bought it, we found somewhere else, but it was a different cardo. It was so bitter, it was like, you couldn't eat it at all. So now we've gone back to the first place and we bought the favourite one.
Even Ariana love it.
Sticking it in her mouth made yourself sick, didn't you?
Yum.
For the potatoes.
Why the color of the water like that?
It's just air bubbles.
Oh, okay.
It's only air bubbles.
I am starting to grow this chili here. Look, as you can see, it's growing now.
And in the next week, it'll be a chili jungle. There'll be chilies everywhere.
This is how English people cut. Yeah? Mention like that. So which one you prefer? Like this or like the English one?
Well, I think yours is better.
Why?
It's faster, I think you should do it. The water's cooked.
Boiled. The water is boiled, it's not cooked.
The water's cooked already. Yeah, today no rice. Today everybody's tummy go on holiday from rice. Right then, now cut the potatoes. So now I've prepared the parsnips. The next stage is just going to wait for the potatoes to just boil through, just soften a little bit. And I've put the oven on. I've put it on like just over 200. And so what we're going to do now is just get the potatoes ready. So in a minute they'll be ready, and then I'll be able to salt them all up, and I'll show you how I do that. Now ready for one of my favourite parts. So now what you want to do to make sure that you get nice crispy skins on your roasted potatoes is you need to beat them around a bit like this. The edge of each potato ends up a little bit fluffy, and so that then gives you a better skin when you then make them into roast potatoes. A good bit of olive oil, about that much, to put in the parsnips as well. These are good mix up. Rosemary, and finally we're now putting the rosemary on top, and now they're ready to go in the oven. Two should do it, shouldn't it?
Yeah, they're quite tall, look.
Do you want to pick the biggest, oldest ones then?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is your pucuk ubi of Europe. In fact, it's totally different and it's nothing like it, but Sophia thinks so.
It is. Yeah, it's a little bit like pucuk ubi. So what I do first, this is I cook first. This is the second because this is quick. faster, right?
Quick, faster.
Quick, faster, cook. I don't know if you can get it in Malaysia, this one. But don't worry, you have a favorite, pucuk ubi.
Pucuk ubi, you need to really boil it for ages, don't you?
Not really actually. If you like do like
you have to do all the squeezing, all the punching.
That one is old. That one we buy in Malaysia last time is old. That's why it's hard. You wash that one.
You wash that one. Did you hear how lovingly I was requested to do the washing of the cardo? It's a good job. I love this woman. It's a good job. I love you.
That's how the Malaysians say things. Shut up. So this is how I cut this one. Tiny, tiny.
Wow, I don't know what it is. I've turned it down as well.
I think got problem with the electric maybe.
Nah, I don't think it is.
Yeah, we don't want to make a cooking disaster like last week.
No, you might enjoy us doing that again, but we don't want to do that again.
So, onion.
I thought, what's that I can see in there? Red chilies.
I'm not cut them myself.
Cheeky monkey's gone and put chilies in this.
It's not spicy. It is spicy.
I know, but usually for this dish, no, I mean I might add a bit of pepper.
I know, but I can eat it.
Okay.
Okay, after that, stop, not fighting. This one. So we put the other part first, like that.
Why are we using a cocktail spoon?
Is this cocktail spoon?
There's a cocktail spoon. That's made for those big ice creams and big deep long glass. Because you use it to get the ice cream out the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
Because you know why I'm using this one?
Why?
Because later put this one in full. Later you use the big spoon all drop. Try or not?
She said, turn the camera off, otherwise they'll think we eat unhealthy food. It's a little bit of sunflower oil. I don't think people are going to think you eat unhealthily.
Yeah.
I mean, if you don't want people to know that you eat unhealthy, just don't tell them about the biscuits and the donuts you eat every day.
What I do, I'll put this half of this stock cube first. No makeup, don't be near so much.
I haven't got any makeup on either.
You should put makeup.
Look at my hair. I haven't had a shave in 3 days.
Let's do a makeup challenge.
Do a makeup challenge?
Yeah.
If you would like a makeup challenge, in the notes sections, write the words makeup challenge, and then we know that you would like that. Yeah, great.
I make up.
I don't know what I'm agreeing to there.
I make up you, or you make up me.
I'll put makeup on you.
I put this one now. This is the leaf. Yeah. I'll put a little bit of water.
Let's taste a bit. Let's see if it's as bitter as the last one we did. No, it's fine.
It's better.
Hello.
She is just turned 7 months old, and
Just
now
turned.
she have grown her first teeth. You can take that. The pumpkin and rice. And then blend them. Come on then. It's ready now.
It's ready. Wow, they look amazing.
Wow, look at that cardo.
There's the cardo.
Oh.
The parsnips and the roast potatoes. That is one of my favourite Sunday dishes. This dish that I've absolutely fallen in love with.
Good girl. Mama. Makan, Ariana makan. Ariana makan. Pandai. Pandai dia. I like the parsnip. So nice. It's not as bitter as before we cooked.
No, this is heaven. This is really nice.
Makan. Mama. Good girl.
So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, then do subscribe because we are going to be cooking so many more things. So we've got so many more
We're
adventures
gonna
planned.
mix like Malaysian and European food. So
Yeah.
if you are in lockdown, you can learn something from us.
Yeah, but also what we're going to do is as the lockdowns lift, we've come up with this idea of speaking to locals and asking them if they'll take us out to see their olive plantations, orange plantations, and give us a tour. So,
Very nice combination.
isn't it?
This is bitter, but not very bitter. This is sweet. The parsnip is sweet, and this potato is just.
It just fills you up like instead of rice. Heaven, isn't it? This is my favourite Sunday lunch.
This is our Sunday lunch.
Yeah.
Oops. Wake up.
So that's now having finished the main course, and now Sophia is coming with this amazing ingredient. Come on then. She's walked a long way to bring them all the way to us here.
Look at that. Look at this.
Incredible. Spain is famous for its oranges, and we've met this guy at the market, and I asked him, you know, are these from his fields? And he said yes. He grows all these oranges, these mandarins, these blood oranges. We got these
avocado.
a couple of weeks ago. Yeah.
But this one here, oh my goodness, so sweet. This one.
Yeah.
I never eat oranges as sweet as this one. Fresh from the tree. Look. Still got the leaf.
Still got the leaves.
Look at that one.
Wow.
Fresh.
But they've got a bit of a thicker skin, these, haven't
Yeah,
they?
for this one, thicker a bit. Ariana love this one. You want?
You're gonna be a singer. As you can see, the skin is
Look.
quite tough to peel.
Yeah, usually it's not like that. Don't know this, but actually this one I eat with the skin, you know. Look, with the skin. Look at that. Oh my god, so sweet, so juicy.
Incredible that you can even eat them with the skin. I won't eat them with the skin. I'll just peel them.
So juicy and don't have what they call it?
Seeds.
Don't have seed. Ariana love it. Okay, coming. Nah. She want it.
Yummy.
Nice.
You know when the food is good because she goes quiet. See how quiet it is. It's a bit sour, isn't it?
It's not sour, it's sweet. Silly girl. But this is really good. When you come to Spain in winter or what?
Yeah.
You better try this one.
The
But actually in this area is a lot. Everywhere you go to the city, all trees of orange.
Yeah.
Don't eat with the skin, Ariana.
Very difficult to peel. It gets to a point where it's like, okay.
All the juice coming out like that. The juice.
So I'm now going to try opening one of these big ones, which they're easier to peel actually.
This is just amazing. I regret never buying more. Okay, coming. She cried because she want fruits.
Come on then, I'm gonna give you one. Look, it's coming. It's coming. Here. How's that orange? Somebody's happy. Nice and quiet.
So good, the orange here. And the other fruits I like here is what they call that one?
Persimmon.
No, the other one. Only in summer.
Peaches. Oh yeah.
Rakus ba rin? The best.
So there you go. That is this YouTube episode on Spanish cardo and Spanish oranges.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just really great to have you here, to have you support us. Thank you so much. And Ariana's got a last message. What do you want to say to everybody?
I know you guys in lockdown in Malaysia right now, but don't feel so sad because we are here to entertain you. Right, Monkey? You cannot travel, and we'll show you the area here.
Ta-ta!
Bye!
Bye!